Scaredy Squirrel never sleeps. He'd rather stay awake than risk having a bad dream in the middle of the night. A few creatures Scaredy Squirrel is afraid could appear in a bad dream. Ghosts, unicorns, dragons, fairies, vampire bats, polka dot monsters. So he's very determined to stay awake by keeping busy all through the night. Scaredy's nighttime to-do list. Count stars. Should keep you occupied for a while. Play cymbals. Loud, annoying noise is sure to keep you wide awake. Take up scrapbooking. Keeps you well organized and productive. So night after night after night after night, Scaredy avoids sleeping. But side effects of sleepless nights may include energy loss, moodiness, poor reflexes, forgetfulness, drowsiness, hallucinations, confusion, and exhaustion. That's when Scaredy Squirrel comes face to face with something very alarming. Horoscopes. Find out what the stars predict for you. Aries, you can climb mountains. Taurus, take the bull by the horns. Gemini, 2 heads are always better than 1. Cancer, claw your way to success. Leo, you're the king of the jungle. Virgo, spread your wings and fly. Libra, get ready. At midnight, all your dreams come true. Scorpio, look out or you'll be stung. Sagittarius, aim for your goals. Capricorn, you're halfway there. Aquarius, go with the flow. Pisces, there are plenty of fish in the sea. There's not a minute to lose. It's time to prepare for the worst. A few things Scaredy Squirrel needs to face his bad dreams. Spotlight, cupcakes, banana peels, fire extinguisher, safety cones, fan, teddy bear, a decoy, a sign, pillow and blankets, molasses, bad dream action plan. Dragons are a huge fire hazard, so keep extinguisher in tree. Molasses will slow down a unicorn in a sticky situation. Not a fan of ghosts? Start the breeze, and they'll be blown away. Place sign upside down so bats can read it. Fairies have a sweet tooth. Distract them with cupcakes. Polka dot monsters can't spot banana peels. Watch them slip and slide. Important. Creatures avoid light behind the spotlight. Switch it on at midnight, and creatures will disappear. Remember, if all else fails, play dead until sunrise. So, Scaredy Squirrel gets into position as he counts down to midnight. His bad dreams seem to come true, one by one. But when he turns on the spotlight, hungry intruders appear. This was not part of the plan. Scaredy Squirrel panics. He steps in the molasses. He stumbles over a safety cone. He slips and slides on a banana peel. He lands on the pillow and plays dead and falls asleep. 1 hour later, 2 hours later, 8 hours later, Scaredy Squirrel finally wakes up. Benefits of a good night's sleep may include energy gain, happiness, better reflexes, sharper memory, good health, peacefulness, cleverness, and clear thinking. Scaredy Squirrel forgets all about his bad dreams. He realizes they were just in his imagination, and nothing horrible happened in the night. A good sleep has inspired him to get rid of a few things and replace his horoscope with something much more trustworthy. A fortune cookie. Sweet dreams. P.S. As for the fire extinguisher, well, a squirrel can never be too careful. Scaredy Squirrel at Night by Melanie Watt. Read by the voice of Eliot Rite. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really means a lot. Thanks. This is Eliot Rite, writing goodbye. Till next time.